Skooliepalooza is cancelled.
Oh, we gotta go.
Yep, we gotta go.
We got a little old convoy rocking through the night.
Peace.
We're Michael and Holliff. Together with our German Shepherd Kana, we've been traveling around the United States and Canada in our camper van, exploring what our beautiful countries have to offer. So come, join us and travel around the United States in our home on wheels.
What a gorgeous morning so far. We love watching sunrises here in the desert. It is just simply beautiful. We are currently surrounded by a lot of skoolies. That is because we are planning on heading out to a skoolie event called Skooliepalooza.
Did you hear that? Or
what?
Most of it? Nathan just said he's going to book off first.
Oh,
so
he's gonna get water.
Awesome, perfect.
Right.
It's time to go to Skooliepalooza, and we are caravanning over there with some friends that we've met along the way. Let's get going.
You'll be driving today?
I think so, at least to start.
Nice.
Oh, she wants to say hi to you.
They know where they're going.
Yep, and we're away with them. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We got it labeled Generator Camp and Peace Camp. Where's the War Camp? I want the War Camp.
We are here.
We're going to the Peace Camp. Hoo-ah-hee-ah, hoo-ah, going to the Peace Camp. Rien que du ciel bleu, sans répit. Et le chant des oiseaux remplit mon journée. Tous les beaux. Are you filming me?
Yes. See, even Michael's so excited.
I'm singing about bluebird buses.
Oh, is that a real song?
Oh yeah,
I guess it is.
it's called Blue Skies. It's a show tune.
Don't know what the plan is yet.
I was thinking like we could go out on that level out there or something.
Like on the other, like over there.
The level right behind these guys.
Well, welcome to California.
My first time.
Yeah. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're more interested in Kana?
Holliff and I just now arrived here at Skooliepalooza, just across the border from Parker, Arizona in California. I think we actually got a pretty good spot here. The party will be more over here where everybody's parked. We're just a few feet away from them where we think things will calm down. For those of you who don't know anything about Skooliepalooza, it's one of the largest gatherings of self-converted school buses in the United States. We expect a couple hundred skoolies are going to be here. Obviously, we are not in a skoolie. We are probably in the farthest thing away from the skoolie, as you might expect. We're driving a Coachmen Galleria, which was built in a factory, versus what people have done for themselves. So the upside to owning a skoolie, you get a lot of what you want in your bus, but the downside is that you have to do it all yourself, and we just decided we were going to buy. But the good news is we're all kind of on the same side here. We're all out for living life on the road, and we can't wait to spend the weekend here. Oh, hi!
That's Stacy. Hey, Stacy.
How are you?
Oh my Good. God! Somebody just set up a pen with 11 puppies. Oh my God! Should we take one? So cute. Okay, Michael, can you imagine if you have to back up?
I just was
buses?
looking at those things and thinking to myself, I mean, this is 24 and a half feet. Some of those things are 50. I couldn't imagine trying to back that into a parking lot somewhere, let alone out here when you're trying to do it between other buses. Holliff bought himself a special kind of IPA. My life is now complete.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. You haven't even opened yours yet.
Oh, pretend it's open.
Okay.
Gluk, 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 gluk. There
This
you
is
go.
how I live with on a daily basis.
Oh, love it.
I just rolled over and I heard this voice saying, "Are you awake?" And it was Holliff, obviously. And he said, "Yes." It's 4:51 in the morning.
It's not even.
But no, it's actually 3:30 in the morning.
That was an Arizona time, and our body is still within that region.
But I don't know why we're up so early.
But we are in California now, and we just happen to be up, so we just, you know what, we're gonna start our day anyway, making coffee.
Yeah.
3:30 in the morning.
Not a soul in sight.
The city looks like a ghost town in the middle of the night.
Actually, if we went outside, there'd be hundreds of school buses. Anyway, we're awake. Kana's wondering what the heck is going on, and we'll take naps later. We're so excited about Skooliepalooza that we couldn't sleep.
That's right. Thank you. Good for your belly. It's still way too early for doing anything really, but Kana and I just step outside to enjoy our coffee, to look around, just enjoying the moment. Life is good. We are so excited to explore Skooliepalooza today. Hey Everest. Hi. Everybody can enjoy a great sunrise show.
Everybody's starting their day with a morning run. You have to convince her.
Yep.
I'm glad it's them. Better them than me. I like doing exercise stuff, but not running outside in the wind on a cool morning. That's for Hollis and Kana only. So how far do they make you go?
It was actually 3.67 miles, and we went sort of closer to the party area, and then there's like a ridge, and it's beautiful. We get 5 runners and we get 6 dogs. Everybody's having a great time.
Looks like you got a sweat going.
I know, right? It's funny.
Was it hard running in the desert like that?
No, it was a trail run, so just a lot of loose rocks, but it's not difficult. It's gonna be an everyday thing, I guess.
At least one of us is trying to stay healthy on the road.
And Michael's gonna start tomorrow
To
too.
those abs.
Yep, look at this pack.
My ab. Yo, stop. The parties haven't started yet, but I'm told that the party area is over this hill. So that's where I'm gonna go look and see what's down there. Well, I guess that's it over there. It was such a great day to start Skooliepalooza, and you could feel the excitement in the air everywhere. Of course, nothing's ever as simple as it seems. This happened.
Skooliepalooza is cancelled! We actually have to move, like within the next, you know, whatever hour or something like that. So we have to move. Everybody has to move. So now we're packing up in frenzy.
They were warned by people to have a permit to do this. We just assumed that they did. But we gotta go.
Yep, we gotta go. We gotta go, we gotta go. We're ready to go. How about, let's go, Kana. Oh. We gotta go. This is crazy. All right, there's definitely a big convoy. Everybody's leaving. I don't know. It's just nuts. We don't have anything left behind, right?
Hope not. Got the poop bags?
Yeah, I got the poo bags.
It's 2:17 right now. I mean, in an event like this, there's probably people that have been drinking and, you know.
Oh my god, that's why drink after 5.
Well, yeah.
Pretty dog.
There's Bear.
Oh yeah, we did meet, yes. Hi Bear. Oh. All right, see you in a bit. Speaking of caravanning, yesterday it was one thing, but now it is another different level.
This is a convoy.
It is just definitely a convoy, a mass exodus.
We got a little old convoy.
Yes.
rocking through. We got a little old convoy rocking through the night.
From what we understand, this is the new coordinate that Skooliepalooza last year was held. That's why we have to evacuate to at least a place that can hold many of us.
And it's in Arizona, and the rules for permitting on BLM lands are a little different, which is why a lot of people were a little miffed that they brought it into California this year. Because there's not only the issue of permitting in California, there's like bringing ATVs in. If you were carrying a gun, you got to have different rules for how you lock those up.
Yeah.
So we're going back to where people wanted to be originally. The logic is probably that if you're going to have an event on BLM land, that's totally fine. You just get a permit if you want to exclude people. For example, Skooliepalooza would only want school buses and people coming to Skooliepalooza to occupy that part of the area. You can't exclude anybody from public land without a permit. So if you want to have an event, keep everyone else out and just you in, you need to get a permit. If you're just going out camping, totally fine to do it on your own.
All right, look at this, guys. We are so in a hurry.
That's how quick we got in.
And we didn't even have time to put anything back to where it belonged. Coffee machine on the floor. Our drone is still out here, kind of slipping on the tripod.
So we're cruising down the highway. We got Jimmy and Natalie in front of us and several buses. We got a long line behind us. And we just saw a sign that said bridge out 21 miles ahead, local traffic only. And some of these buses, pretty big.
And 400 plus buses probably have to go through it. A lot of buses. You know, the new location is still pretty much deserted, so it doesn't really make any difference in terms of the environment. I think now we know exactly where it is.
I think the one in the new bus knows exactly where it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Skooliepalooza 2.0. We're actually so glad to be one of the first that come over, because the more people coming in, the more confusing. Especially if you're a big bus. I just can't imagine how to find like a good spot here. But we settled in for today. We tried to kind of park to make some kind of community, but it works out fine. But there are still people coming in, and that's just like a big hookup. And that's the end of our bizarre day in whatever, Arizona, California for Skooliepalooza. But we're settling down and let it begin.
Did you get the Kong?
Yeah.
We've lost her Kong a couple of times.
My God.
Now, so.
Yeah, that's probably the most valuable of Kana's toy. So
Yeah.
we definitely have to pay attention where Kana hide it after. One kiss.